a wooden play kitchen set for my nephew. My brother just became a father in November 2009. And a single father at that. And, let's face, most men are pretty clueless about babies, but he really did a great job in the first year. He did the long nights, smelly diapers, the whole deal. So, for his son's second Christmas, when he was 1 year old, he found himself at a loss and turned to his big sis for help. I was glad to help. I love Christmas and all the presents, both. Great food, the music, everything. I suggested getting him a wooden play kitchen set, a nice one he could enjoy for years to come. Then, my typically very forward-thinking brother got a look of shock on his face. "A kitchen set for a boy?" he asked in dismay. So, after my inner feminist calmed herself down, I laid it out for him.